Hello everyone, welcome to Maintenance Mondays. My name is Rico and today I'm going to be showing you the weekly tasks that need to be performed to maintain the HP Multijet Fusion printer. Every week these tasks need to be done and it will prompt you also on the front panel, which will make it easier for you and it will remind you that they need to be performed. One of the tasks that need to be done is to clean the recoating roller and the plates. So I'm going to start off by showing you how to do that. So first you want to unscrew these 4 screws that are on the side, and these are going to be T15 screws. And this comes right off and you can set it aside. And next you want to take a T10 and unscrew these 4 on the top to release the recoater. Okay, so now I got some gloves on, and you can remove the recoating roller just by pulling it towards you, and you can remove the plates and just take a lint-free cloth to wipe off any powder. You can also use DI water to help with the process as well. Be sure to vacuum out these bearings and where they sit inside the recoating unit. The powder will degrade them faster, so be sure to clean them thoroughly. You want to clean the scan access wipers, which are these black parts. There's 2 T20 screws that you're going to want to unscrew. And then you just want to take this off. And notice that there's a lot of powder and you just want to vacuum that up. And also repeat on the left side. Next, you want to clean inside of the carriage. So to lift the top cover, what you want to do is pull this little lever out, and then it just comes right off. And be sure to vacuum all of this and all the powder that may have gotten inside the carriage. Next, you want to clean these top enclosure filters. There's one on the right side and there's also another one on the left side. So what you want to do is there's 2 thumb screws. You want to loosen those. And this cover comes off. Make sure to vacuum here and also vacuum the filter. You see there's a lot of powder and you just want to vacuum all of that up and do so on both sides. And make sure you do the other side. Next, we want to clean the bearing that the carriage rolls on. So what you want to do is take a lint-free cloth, put some DI water on it, and while the printer is off, the carriage should be easy to move, and you want to just gently roll the carriage over the cloth. And you can see that you cut some debris out, and you just want to do that a couple times. And then be sure to move the carriage back in its home position. Next, we're going to clean the material extraction system. This is the left side. You want to take a T20 and unscrew these two screws. And you open this up, and then you take your explosion-proof vacuum, connect it to this outlet right here, and just vacuum. So vacuum for about 15 seconds, and then you just want to button it back up and repeat on the right side. And the last task for the week is to vacuum the exterior of the printer. Once you're done with all the tasks, you can turn the printer back on and make sure you mark them as complete on the front panel.
Thanks for checking out our channel. If you like what you saw, make sure to like and subscribe down below so you don't miss out on any new videos. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter for the latest engineering news and information. And to see all of our upcoming events, please visit our website at saratech.com/events.